Sunday, 26th of November, 2023. Berry College Wildlife Management Area. Fifty-three degrees, cloudy, overcast, sprinkling, threatening rain. I've seen this road underwater from about 200 feet back all the way across this creek down here. It is prone to flood. We've got a beaver dam over there, and then we've got, it looks like a natural blockage here. Now the beavers may have added to this. Looks like they may have, and they may have worked on it a little bit further down as well, because it's not flowing very fast, if at all. I suspect they have a dam. It looks like there's either a natural or a beaver dam right down there. And beaver are considered a nuisance animal. I don't know if there's any particular time you can shoot them, or whether you can, or trap them, or whatever. I don't know if there is a season, or whether you can just have at it. There's one road up here that I have yet to see open. I would really like to get up it. I may have to just park and walk up it, or either ride the bike up it. Doesn't seem like they ever open it. And it's not open today either. Looks well traveled. These wildlife management area roads, they're usually rougher than Forest Service roads. Forest Service roads, I think, you know, they sort of like to have people drive on them, or, you know, visit the mountains or the Forest Service forest roads. But these wildlife management area roads, this mostly for hunters, wildlife management. So I guess they assume most people are going to have trucks or vans or somehow to get in here and hunt. They're not nearly as smooth from what I have noticed through the years. And it is deer season. I'm not planning on walking in the woods, but if we do, we will be wearing the orange vest that Vicky got for us. Looks like somebody left a double stroller sitting out here. Maybe they're walking their kids or something. I don't know. Never seen that road open either. Well, they always say foot traffic welcome. But during hunting season, I'm not going to be walking through the woods. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this one off. And we'll cut it back on to get that tree. Look at that tree, isn't that interesting? How trees grow, what shapes them. Get a still picture of that to put on here. Okay, we will cut this off here in a minute. That'll be a wrap. Then see, look at that other branch, or that branch still twisting on over to that other way. Very interesting. Well, this will be a wrap. Yeah, see, look how that thing's bent over and leaning, coming this way on both of those main trunks.